Welcome to the AI Operating System 2027. In this lesson, we're moving beyond the surface level of AI. We're going to look at what the top 1% of AI operators do differently to build systems that don't just work today, but are future-proofed for the next decade. We face a paradox. AI tools are changing every single quarter. If you spend your time memorizing which button to click in a specific app, your knowledge will be obsolete by next year. The winners don't master tools, they master capabilities. Today, we escape the tool-first trap and move into a capability-first framework. Hello, I'm Adel Azmi. In our previous sessions, we explored the rapid rise of generative models. Today, we're bridging that history with the future. We're going to build a framework that ensures your AI strategy remains relevant, no matter what model is released tomorrow. Let's look at our objectives. By the end of this session, you'll understand the 7 core AI capabilities, the revolution of agent orchestration over simple prompting, and how to build a hybrid AI stack. Most importantly, you'll learn the RICE evaluation framework to ensure your AI outputs are actually trustworthy. The AI operating system is built on 3 pillars. First, capabilities over brands. We don't care about the name on the door, we care about the reasoning strength. Second, systems over tools. We build workflows, not one-off prompts. And third, orchestration over prompting. We aren't just talking to machines, we're managing swarms of specialized agents. Think about the difference between a passenger and an operator. A passenger asks the AI for an answer and accepts what it gives. An operator views the AI output as a hypothesis that needs to be verified. They orchestrate a stack of capabilities, swapping components as they improve. This modularity is your secret weapon. Instead of asking, which AI should I use for reports? The operator asks, what capabilities does this task require? For a 50-page report, you need long context coherence and structured reasoning. You evaluate the models based on those specific needs, not their brand popularity. This brings us to the 3 laws of AI operation. Law 1 is the capability law. Match the task's required capabilities to the model's demonstrated strengths, not its brand name. To do this, you must first master the capability map. There are 7 core pillars we need to track. Every AI task requires some combination of these 7 capabilities. Master identifying which ones you need, and you will never need a best tool list again. We'll go through them one by one, starting with the foundation of all intelligence: reasoning. Reasoning is the ability to think step by step, solve problems, and maintain logical consistency across long outputs. It's not just about facts, it's about the path to the answer. Current leaders in this space are models like DeepSeek R1 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. To test reasoning, don't ask for a simple summary. Give it a complex multi-step math problem or ask it to compare 2 arguments and identify logical fallacies. Look for how it maintains its position over thousands of words. Check the latest benchmark scores on math and GPQA. Capability 2 is context handling. This is the ability to process and reason across very long inputs, like 500-page legal contracts or entire codebases, without losing track of early information. In 2027, context windows are measured in millions of tokens. Context windows tend to double every 12 to 18 months. Currently, models like Kimi and Gemini lead the pack. When you have 50 files to analyze for dependencies, or a novel-length character arc to track, this is the capability you prioritize over everything else. Capability 3 is real-time intelligence. This is access to information created after the model's training cutoff, news, stock prices, or social trends. This depends on the search infrastructure, not just the model's inherent knowledge. Perplexity, Grok, and Gemini are the current frontrunners here. Evaluate them on source quality and latency. You need to know if the AI is hallucinating yesterday's events, or if it's actually looking at the live data stream you care about. Capability 4 is multimodal generation. This is creating images, video, audio, and 3D assets from text. This is moving fast. We evaluate this on motion coherence, physical plausibility, and lip sync accuracy. Don't commit to one platform yet. Video generation quality improves monthly. You should be looking for temporal consistency. Does the person's face stay the same throughout the clip? Platforms like Runway and Kling are pushing the boundaries of what's possible for professional media creation. Capability 5 is tool use and execution. This is the AI's ability to interact with external systems, browsing websites, writing files, running code, or sending emails. The differentiator here isn't just speed, it's reliability and observability. Think of an AI that researches a topic and then builds a spreadsheet for you, or books a meeting by accessing your calendar. We look for human-in-the-loop checkpoints to ensure the AI isn't making legally binding commitments without your approval. Capability 6 is grounded learning. This is the ability to learn from your specific materials without hallucinating outside knowledge. This is crucial for company policy answers or analyzing a stack of your own research papers. Grounded learning is moving from upload and ask to continuously synced knowledge bases. The future is an AI that reads your entire company's cloud drive in real time. This ensures that answers are always verifiable against your authoritative sources. Finally, Capability 7. Agent orchestration. This is the most important capability of 2027. It's the ability to coordinate multiple AI agents working in parallel, with self-correction, evaluation loops, and human oversight. You aren't just one user, you're an orchestrator. Think of the newsroom swarm example. One agent searches sources, another drafts the narrative, and a third verifies every claim against primary sources. No single agent does everything. Each has a narrow scope, clear inputs, and defined outputs. The orchestrator manages the handoffs. In 2024, the skill was prompt engineering, crafting the perfect input. In 2027, the skill is agent orchestration, designing systems of AIs that work together. You are building a research team that operates 24/7. This is how you orchestrate organizational transformation. For content creators, this becomes the AI Media Operating System, a 6-phase pipeline from trend research and audience analysis to multimodal creation, automated assembly, and performance analytics. AI isn't just a feature, it's the entire production line. But how do we know when the AI is wrong? The top 1% of operators are better at evaluation. We use a hierarchy, from a simple gut check to source verification, cross-model consensus, and eventually adversarial testing, where we try to break the AI's logic. We use the RICE framework for every output, score it on relevance, integrity, coherence, and executability. If it scores below a 3 on any dimension, it gets sent back for revision. This ensures that prompting isn't the skill, evaluation is. For critical decisions, use the 3-model rule. Ask the same question to 3 different systems, say Claude, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek. Compare their outputs. Where they agree is usually the data. Where they disagree is where the risk and the judgment reside. Synthesize the strongest elements of each. Finally, build a hybrid stack. Use closed models for the absolute best performance, but switch to open source models for sensitive data or cost-heavy batch jobs. Run small models locally for quick queries. This modular architecture keeps you future-proofed. Swap components without rebuilding workflows. Principle 2 of future-proofing is modular architecture. Every component should be swappable. Your research agent should work whether it uses Perplexity or a custom scraper. Never depend on a single provider. Always have a backup for every critical capability. You are the operator, not the passenger. To recap, don't learn tools, build systems. Master the 7 capabilities, orchestrate agent swarms, and apply the RICE framework to every output. By making your workflows modular and evaluated, you become irreplaceable. You are now operating at the top 1%. Your next step is to pick one complex workflow and map it to the capabilities we discussed today. The tools will change and the models will evolve, but the operator who understands how to orchestrate intelligence will always be in demand. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next lesson.